Alrighty guys, so I'm going to show you a little tip for how to start your morning that we've been using while we've been traveling down south. If you know much about southern food, you know that they love their desserts, and they love their fried food, and that sugar and those low quality fats that are being used are not fantastic for your liver. So I've got kind of an iffy liver gallbladder. It needs a lot of support. So every day we've been starting with some lemon apple cider vinegar shots just to make sure that we are giving them a fighting chance. First, what you do, I went ahead and I sliced my lemon. All right, so we're doing 1/2 per shot. So take your glass, whatever you want to use, take your lemon, squeeze that in there. Get rid of as many seeds as you can, but if you swallow a few, I think it'll be fine. Of course, this is something that you can do out while you're camping. The beauty of this is that you just need lemons or lemon juice and this bottle of apple cider vinegar, or you can do it right in the comfort of your own home. But first thing when you wake up, maybe after you drink a glass of water, but maybe even just first thing. All right, so we got our lemon in there, and now we're gonna use apple cider vinegar. So I'm using the Bragg's apple cider vinegar because I know that it contains the mother, which is going to really enhance the healing properties of the vinegar. But you can check your local store and look for one that says raw unfiltered, and right there with the mother, there are a couple of brands that have that. But so we're gonna take this, you can measure it out 1 or 2 teaspoons, especially if you're just starting this for the first time. I'm just going to kind of do some guesswork. Get our little shot here. And that is all. You just grab this guy, chug it down. I'm not gonna chug this one, because this one's for Allan. All right guys, so thank you so much for tuning in for this one. Go ahead and do all of the things now. The thumbs up, the notification, ring the bell. Make sure you're following us on our blog and Patreon. And that is it. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.